What is up, YouTube? What is going on? It is Mr. Graves here, back again with a last year being broke plan update. Right, so I'm gonna get logged in here. We're gonna be talking about a few things here regarding the last year being broke plan. As you can tell, I have to renew my domain. It expires next month on the 14th. So we're gonna skip this for now, but as a reminder, I think it's about like between like $14 to $17 to get your own unique domain, and that's what I recommend here. But first off, let's just head to the training area. Right click. Yeah, let's just head over there to the training area. Alright, and then we're gonna log in plstraining.com. You can get all your training for the Power Lead system / Lead Lightning, everything to expect, as far as creating your YouTube channel. It's very important to create videos because you're kind of like an authority figure when you hop on the camera, because you're confident enough in yourself to create videos, for the people can see, for complete transparency purposes only. So keep that in mind. They have all types of different trainings here for you guys, so make sure you check out the PLS training that is in the back office of Lead Lightning for a one-time $7, and that is how you can start your first step in the last year being broke plan. But continuing on with the back office here, I want to go to my account and let's go to my buyers list. And before we go to the buyers list, I want to talk about let's go to the contact manager and you can go to email viewers, and you can see who opens your emails, your automated emails, so just keep that in mind as well. And you can keep track of who opts into your capture pages and whatnot. And you can also go to quick start right here. And if you have a primary business, you can plug in your primary business, so you can have one unique link that promotes Lead Lightning, which is your marketing system, and your primary business. So you're not just promoting Lead Lightning, you're also promoting your primary business. And once you upgrade within Power Lead system, you can get more customized. You can get more customized and personalized with your caption pages and how you want to promote your plan. Because it could be your plan. I recommend having your own plan. You can call it last year being broke plan, whatever, or make money now with Tim, or cash out with James, or something kind of catchy to give yourself a little bit more unique to whoever you're promoting to and you're dropping traffic to. You want them to know that who you are, that they can like and trust you. So moving on, I'm logged in to Paylution right here. I'm gonna log out and log back in for you guys, just for transparent purposes. No funny business going on here. That is my that is my correct email address and such. But as you can see, I have no available funds right now because I haven't gotten the sale in a month or so. But that's not important, just documentation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the history of my history of transfers and bank transfers. So I can go back here and I can do it from whenever time. So let's go back to like November, or however. Just a quick search here. Hopefully this search doesn't take very long. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, this is all the bank transfers I've gotten and sales I've converted to transfers and things like that. So yeah, I just want to just be completely transparent, just for documentation purposes. Of course, as you upgrade, as you start driving more traffic and start getting to a bit more of the higher ticket offers, then of course your numbers aren't going to look as small as mine are right now. But this is just again, this is just for, you know, progression and documentation and me being transparent. So that's all that this is for. Just to show you guys that I have been, you know, what I've starting out with. This is completely out the mud, if you will, starting out from 0 to 100, or 0, you know, from the beginning to the end. You know, so I just want to just document everything, my entire journey, and that's what I'm doing here. Let's go back into the back office here, and again, you can promote your primary business and lead lightning as well. This is all for one-time $7. This is how, like, your introduction into making money online. You don't have to send out emails all night and day. You can just have a system that does all the selling and telling for you. So all you have to do is just drive traffic and you know, create videos, uh, promote those videos on various platforms, or buy traffic. You don't have to make videos. You can just buy traffic and then just do your thing, you know, that way. But yeah, just making videos just for, you know, people, if you want to create a team, uh, you know, leaders and such. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to create this quick video just talking about updates. Everything is pretty much the same. It's Lead Lightning, my marketing system. Then I have Lease Ad Space, and then I'm also promoting MLM Gateway, which is a traffic platform. Be sure to plug yourself in to the Facebook group to connect with like-minded individuals that's doing the same thing that you're trying to accomplish for your mental support. So yeah, just make sure you guys connect with me, even though I may not post videos every day like how I should. You can still connect with me on various platforms, and I'm always available for questions, concerns, advice, recommendations, etc. So again, my name is Mr. Graves. Thanks for watching. LastYearBeingBrokePlan.com. See you inside. Peace.